like two spirits say.
Hello everyone, कैसे हो तुम लोग? Welcome to the best Android apps of July 2020. This will be a new monthly series on my channel. I hope you guys like it. Without further ado, let's quickly jump into it. Beginning with the apps that I've liked so far. Numero uno, volume styles. Are you that person who uses their volume panel quite a lot and is bored of the looks? In comes volume styles. This app gives a complete overhaul to the stock volume panel. You get a wide range of options to choose from, be it iOS style or MIUI style. You name it, this app has it all. The setup is quite easy and you can easily view the selection real time. This app is completely free, but there are some features for which you will have to pay. But if you ask me, the free version of app was just enough. And of course, with things like this, battery is always of the concern. But based on my usage, I did not see any impact. So overall, I highly recommend this app. Next up, we have Movies Edge. If you are an audiophile and love to listen to music on the phone, this one's for you. Remember those dope looking Winamp visualization that we all loved as a kid? Well, this app brings something like that to your phone. The app comes with wide range of visualization option to choose from. The app is free but has some premium features which are locked. It supports all the major music streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, Gaana, Saavn, you name it. Impact on battery is minimal to none, so be sure to check this out. Coming at 3 is Swift Backup, an all-in-one backup solution with a neat UI. Users who are into custom ROMs have been using this for years now. This can back up apps and data to your local storage or your cloud. The backup can be restored later if need be. This is especially helpful for ROM hoppers out there. Along with apps, it can back up your messages, call logs, wallpapers, and Wi-Fi networks. The app is free, but some features require a subscription that I wouldn't mind paying. The functionality of the app can also be extended if one has root access. Overall, this is a really polished app. I definitely recommend it. Fourth one is called Grow. Are you an investor in stocks? Does stock market interest you? Then check this one out. This app has a really good UI and is one-stop solution for the information on stocks. After some lengthy setup, you are good to go. You can check the stock price of any company in real time and invest on it. Not just that, for every stock it shows SIP or one-time investment options, returns, pros and cons, peer comparisons, fund managers, and lot more. The app also provides a set of informative videos on how to invest in mutual funds. If you're into stock market, then this is a really good app. Next comes Strafe. Are you an avid follower of professional esports? This app tracks the pro scene of major games like CSGO, League of Legends, Dota, Siege, PUBG, etc. You can easily track all the tournaments that is happening all around the world. Root for your favorite team and test your luck by predicting the winning team. The app has a good UI. It has the tournament view where you can look at the team brackets or groups, upcoming matches, and past results. You can also find round-by-round analysis. I absolutely love this app and usually track CSGO majors and other tournaments using this. Finally, a wallpaper app called Wallpy. If you haven't heard of it, then you're missing on a lot. It has a very neat and organized collection of wallpapers consisting of patterns, AMOLED, abstract, nature, and all the categories that you can think of. Setting wallpaper as home screen, lock screen, or both is very seamless. But what I love the most is that we can blur the wallpaper as needed. This gives a really cool effect when used properly. It also has option to auto change wallpaper every single day. So please be sure to check this one out. Let us now talk about some good games. At numero uno, we have a game called Mars. It looks stunning with very Altos adventure graphics vibe. The protagonist is an astronaut present in Mars. We have to take the character from one end of the level to another by making him hop across the platforms. The control is very intuitive. This game is very easy to learn and can help you kill time during the pandemic season. The game is really good and it's free. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the Play Store now. The next game is Orbia. It's a really fun game. The goal here is to move your character from one orbit to another. Each orbit has an n number of black orbs revolving around it. We have to move our white orb into the center of the next orbit without touching the black ones. The movements get tougher as and when you reach higher levels. I really like to play this game when I'm bored. Please do check this one out. Finally, we have the Spearman. The goal is to kill your enemies spawned in front of you. In the beginning, it took me some time to get used to the controls. But as the game progressed, I was able to get my hands on it. The levels get tougher fairly quickly. If you like games related to archery, this is the one for you. Please do give it a try and let me know how much you have scored. Finally, let's look at the icon pack of the month. Here is Beeline. It's an outline icon pack, meaning the icons are not filled. It's a paid icon pack, but it's something that you will never regret purchasing. It supports close to 16,000 icons. The icons are well crafted, as you can see in the screen. It has a very neon vibe, which goes well with light or dark wallpapers. Talking about wallpapers, it comes with 20 built-in wallpapers. I suggest using this icon pack with something like a Firewatch wallpaper and running it on Nova Launcher. So that is up from my side. I hope you guys loved this video and I want you guys to try these apps and let me know in the comment section below if you guys liked it or not. I would also want you guys to list down your top 5 picks. And as always, please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. It takes a lot of effort to create one, so you better do it now. Thank you. Peace out.